We live in a world of distractions. Every day, we're bombarded with information from all directions. People scroll through social media at lightning speed, barely pausing to take in the content. Attention spans? Shorter than ever. It's a challenge to keep anyone's focus for more than a few seconds. So, how do you cut through the noise and make your message heard? Visuals. They're your secret weapon. They have the power to captivate and engage instantly. Think about it. Would you rather read a wall of text or look at a stunning infographic? The choice is clear. Exactly. Our brains are wired for visuals. We process them faster, remember them longer. Images grab attention. They make your content memorable. They stick with your audience long after they've seen them. But it's not just about pretty pictures. It's about conveying your message effectively. Effective graphic design is strategic. It's about clarity, impact, and purpose. It communicates your message clearly. It evokes emotions, and it drives action. So if you're still clinging to text-heavy content, it's time for an intervention. Embrace change. Embrace the power of graphic design. Let it transform your content. It's the key to unlocking engagement, boosting your brand, and making your content stand out in a crowded market. Good design doesn't happen by accident. It requires careful planning and a deep understanding of the elements involved. It's like baking a cake, except you can't eat it, sadly. But the satisfaction of a well-designed piece is just as rewarding. You need the right ingredients and in the right proportions. In design, those ingredients are color, typography, and composition. Color sets the mood and tone of your design. Want to convey excitement? Use bold, vibrant colors that catch the eye and energize the viewer. Going for a sense of calm? Stick with cool, muted tones that soothe and relax. Each color evokes a different emotion. Choose wisely to match the message you want to convey. Typography is more than just picking a font. It's an art form that communicates beyond words. It's about legibility, hierarchy, and personality. The right typeface can elevate your design. The right font can make your content sing, drawing readers in and keeping them engaged. Or make it painful to read. Choose wisely again, as poor typography can ruin the experience. Composition is how you arrange everything on the page. It's the framework that holds your design together. It's about balance, visual hierarchy, and guiding the viewer's eye to the most important elements. A well-composed design is pleasing to look at and easy to understand, making your message clear and impactful. Design is more than just aesthetics. It's about psychology. Colors, fonts, and layouts evoke emotions. They influence how people perceive your brand, and ultimately, how they behave. Think about famous logos, the Nike swoosh, the Apple logo. They're simple, yet iconic. They evoke feelings of movement, innovation, and aspiration. The same principles apply to all visual content. By understanding how design elements influence emotions, you can create visuals that resonate with your target audience. Want to build trust? Use calming blues and greens. Want to create a sense of urgency? Use bold reds and oranges. It's all about using design to tell your story and connect with your audience on an emotional level. Section 4. Just Do It. Case studies in visual storytelling. Let's talk about brands that are killing it with visual storytelling. Nike, for example, is a master. Their Just Do It campaign is iconic. Bold typography, striking imagery. It's about empowerment and pushing boundaries. Another great example is Airbnb. Their website and app are beautifully designed. They use high-quality photography and videos to showcase unique travel experiences. They make you feel like you're already on vacation. These brands understand that visual storytelling is key to connecting with their audience. They use design to create emotional connections, build brand loyalty, and ultimately drive sales. Section 5. Speaking your audience's language. Visuals that resonate. Creating effective visuals is about more than just following design principles. It's about understanding your audience. What are their interests? What kind of visuals do they respond to? If you're targeting millennials, you might use bright, playful visuals. If you're targeting a more corporate audience, you might opt for a cleaner, more sophisticated aesthetic. The key is to create visuals that feel authentic to your brand and resonate with your target market. This requires research, empathy, and a deep understanding of your audience's preferences. Section 6. Design for the rest of us. Tools and trends for non-designers. You don't need to be a design whiz to create visually appealing content. With the right tools, anyone can create stunning visuals. There are tons of user-friendly tools available that cater to non-designers. Canva, Adobe Spark, and Visma are great options for creating social media graphics, presentations, and even short videos. These platforms offer templates and easy-to-use features. And don't worry about keeping up with every design trend. It's more important to understand the basics. Focus on the fundamentals: clear visuals, strong typography, and a consistent brand aesthetic. These elements will always be in style. One trend that's here to stay is minimalism. Clean, simple designs are easy on the eyes and work well across different platforms. They help convey your message without distractions. Another important trend is responsive design. Make sure your visuals look great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. This ensures a seamless user experience. Section 7. The future of design. AI, collaboration, and the power of storytelling. Artificial intelligence is changing the design game. AI-powered tools can help you generate design ideas, automate tasks, and even personalize visuals for different users. But don't worry, robots aren't taking over yet. The human touch is still essential. The most effective design happens when designers and marketers collaborate closely. Ultimately, graphic design is about telling your brand story in a visually compelling way. It's about grabbing attention, evoking emotions, and leaving a lasting impression. So, embrace the power of design. Experiment, learn, and never stop telling your story.